Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today, we are going to be talking about another carryover model from Harley-Davidson 2024 Fat Boy 114, coming in at $26,499 Canadian, compared to last year, $25,499, a difference of, simple math this time, $1,000. Didn't screw that one up, thankfully. Now, keep in mind, no surcharge, so we got rid of that pesky thing. And thankfully, we also have some consistency. We still have chrome trim. We still have pinstriping. However, just like every other model, we have billiard gray as the base color. Now, here's the thing. The Fat Boy looks great in every single color. Seriously, it does. And the Vivid Black, although it's going to cost you an additional $450, it looks great. It's a carryover model, nothing has changed, and to be completely honest with you, the Fat Boy, I don't think it really needs a whole lot of changes. I mean, this bike is just so, I don't know, classic. You know, it just, timeless? I don't know. Kind of struggling for some adjectives here. But this bike looks so well put together. And really, with the new colors being added to the paint options, you guys have a lot of options as well. You have Red Rock, which is going to cost you an additional $650 Canadian. And, I mean, it's questionable. Maybe it's not the greatest paint option. But again, Red Rock, I'm really struggling to enjoy this color on a lot of models. And the reason for this is it is just so inconsistent on the bikes online. Now, again, I don't know if this is due to poor lighting, improper lighting, angles of the bike, the bike model, you know, with the angles of it, if it's on a fairing or not a fairing, or if it's mixed with Vivid Black, you have like a two-tone paint. I don't know. Sometimes it looks really, really nice, and other times it looks really bad. I don't know. And it's kind of bugging me, to be honest. However, Shark Skin Blue, no doubt whatsoever, an additional $800, unfortunately, a little bit more money. However, this one looks really good on the Fat Boy, so I am anticipating that this one is going to look really, really nice. I definitely want to see this in person. I think it's going to look really, really sharp. And this bike, again, overall is just very well put together. ABS, security, and cruise control, all standard on this bike, and that is it. Now, obviously, we have chrome trim. It's pretty much always been this way, except for 1 year. And that would be 2020, when we had the 30th anniversary of the Fat Boy, where it was completely blacked out, and maybe, just maybe, I wish I had one. However, as you guys know, for those of you who have watched previous videos, I have a 2012 Fat Boy Low, which has the 103 motor in it. And that, I believe, was the first year for that engine size as well. And honestly, I like the bike, but, you know, I just haven't ridden it a whole lot. However, if, you know, maybe, perhaps, a 2020 anniversary were to get traded in, I would consider upgrading to that bike. Reason being, the bike I have right now is almost blacked out completely. The newer one, obviously, is an M8, so I'd be getting the newest bike possible. Well, due to budget constraints and all that jazz. But pretty much the newest bike that I could possibly get, and it would just, it'd be so nice. So nice. Yeah. That'd be sweet. Be badass. Oh, sorry. So anyway, that is it. Carryover model, very simple, nothing too crazy going on other than my brain wandering a little bit, thinking about that anniversary bike. Actually, what do you guys think? Between the Fat Boy, just the regular paint options every year, chrome trim. Would you guys take one of the new paint color options with the current 2024 model? Or would you guys wait around for a used 2020 30th anniversary? Which one would you guys rather? Leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on that. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future carryover model videos on the channel leading up to the end of this month, January 24th, when Harley does the big grand reveal. All the new models, new features, new models with new features. Yes, that is what I believe it is. Because again, carryover models are just the regular models that aren't going anywhere, and they just get, some new paint and whatever. But the models that are not on the website right now, those ones, there's a lot of anticipation right now. A lot of people still speculating. I've watched all the videos. They're not really spoilers anymore because Harley has done such a good job of keeping everything under wraps, and I love it. I hate spoilers, and the only thing that I would hate more than things being spoiled for me is to not see a Fat Bob reveal on January 24th. So I'm going to make a video about that because this is my favorite bike. It's literally over my shoulder in the corner there. I bought the miniature of it because I couldn't afford the real one, and I'm going to remain hopeful that my prediction, which I'm going to mention in the upcoming video, comes true. So, because it is just a crazy, crazy idea, I could be totally wrong, and that's fine, but it is such a crazy idea that they might actually do it. But anyway, we'll find out sooner or later. So, hopefully you guys like this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.